Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to set actually the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. On the third position from the left, almost in the middle I would say, we've got the timer option. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, instead of the off option, we've got 3 additional settings. So we've got 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Basically all you have to do in order to set it is to just tap on the option, so I will pick 10 seconds. As you can see, the icon changed slightly. We've got this small 10 on the clock icon. What's more, it is highlighted in this yellowish color, which simply means that from now on, after tapping on the shutter button, your device will simply count down from 10. And after that time it will take a photo. Of course, from 10 in case of this option, it can count down from 2 or 3 I believe, and 5, whichever option you've chosen. So this is how to set the timer. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on this clock icon. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set the timer in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.